Hello, sometimes the taste of eggs in pancakes can be so irritating to some people. And that's why today we're making a simple eggless banana pancake recipe. Let's get right into it. Self-raising flour, a pinch of salt, half a cup powdered sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, vanilla essence, 2 big bananas, the size, a whisk, a bowl, 2 bowls, and a fork. And so let's get right into the procedure. The first thing we do is we peel our bananas. And now we mash them. Just use a fork. That's the reason why we have a fork. Take your time and just mash your bananas until they get into a paste. We want a paste out of our bananas, so let's make them into a paste. And now we go in with the vanilla essence. Add just enough. Continue mixing. This is the consistency of our bananas. They have vanilla essence in them, remember. Put it aside and go in with our dry ingredients. This is 1 cup self-raising flour. We add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, this is enough. Then we go in with a half a cup of powdered sugar. This is our powdered sugar. And then we add a pinch of salt. Just a little. We sieve all our dry ingredients. We sieve our dry ingredients to incorporate air into our mixture. This will help our pancakes to be fluffy. So this is it. We're done with the sieving. And now we mix our dry ingredients. And then go in with our banana mixture. Bear in mind that we're making pancakes that don't have any animal products. Animal proteins are not there. There are no eggs, there's no milk. So all we will be using is water. So we add water to our mixture. You just need a cup of water, that's enough. You add in your mixture and then we mix from the center towards the corners. We do this as we add in water. At this point in time, we have our perfect consistency that's flowing. So we're ready to get it in the pan. Our pancakes are ready to go on the fire. So let's get frying. So first, you'll ensure that you oil your pan. Ensure your pan is hot enough. Oil it. Then we go in with our mixture, then drop it on the pan. When it's enough, you spread it out. Slowly, take your time. We don't want our pancakes to dismantle, so we just spread it out. Take your time. Ensure that you spread it out evenly. Don't leave at the side too thick or too thin than others. You see our pancake is forming on top. That means it's cooking. I love to spread my oil on top of the pancake. I don't know. Our pancake is cooking. One thing about pancakes, once one side is well cooked, it cooks very fast on the other side. So you have to be really keen on that to avoid overcooking of the other side. You see our other side is ready. Just fold it, place it on our plate. Get our oil again on the pan and bring in another mixture. So we just pour. And then we spread out. Remember, take your time to spread it out. You want it evenly spread out. You don't want other parts being thin, others too thick. So just take your time, reduce the heat. And we will repeat the same process to all the pancake mixture. And then we'll serve our pancakes for breakfast or for brunch, whichever you love. After you've turned your pancake, I love to fold them in. And then our banana pancakes are ready. They're eggless. They don't have milk. Try this recipe and tell me what you think, what you like about it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Bye! I'll see you in the next video.